Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to close your Spotify account. Before we start, you cannot do this inside of the Spotify mobile app. Instead, I'll show you how to do it on the desktop web browser and then how to do it on the mobile web browser. Both are similar but do require using the Spotify website. Starting with the desktop website, head to spotify.com and log into your account. Once here, choose your profile name on the top right and then choose support. The support page will then open in a new tab or window. Next, choose Account Settings under the Account Help section. Inside of here, select Closing your account. If you currently have a premium account, you'll have to first downgrade to a free account or select Contact Customer Support to have a Spotify rep do it for you. I've also made a video in the past about canceling your Spotify premium account, so I'll link it here in case you want to do it yourself. Once you're on a free account, choose Close your account in the next section. On this page, hit Close Account and then confirm it's your account on the next screen. Spotify will then let you know what you'll lose when you close your account. Check next to I understand and then hit Continue. It will then email you a link that you have to click through to fully close your account. If you don't confirm through the link within 24 hours, then your account will not be closed. Hit Close Account and then you're done. Spotify will then send you another link if you change your mind and want to reactivate your account within 7 days. Doing this on a mobile device is pretty much the same, but like I said, you can't do it on the Spotify app. Instead, open your web browser, head to spotify.com and log into your account here. On the top right of the page, tap the gear icon and then choose Support. A quick shortcut to get to the account closure page, just search Close Account here and choose Close Your Account. From here, the steps are the same as the desktop website, so just follow through and then confirm when you get the email. And that's how you close your Spotify account on desktop or mobile. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.